YouTube, I hope everybody is safe, healthy and okay. So I want to show you how to make homemade mask. Do you need to sew? No. Do you need to do this? No. All you need a t-shirt, a shirt, any, and just your scissor. This is the shirt. I used my son's shirt. Had 3 colors in it. The middle color I just put it in machine to wash it. So this is the last part. I cut it, and look, this is bottom of your shirt. What you can do, make sure wash them. The good things about this, you can use them again and again and wash them constantly. And do this, go on your neck, and then you put this on here. And then the second layer, here. You can tie it here. You can cover. And then with this one, you can make another one. You can bring it down. You can bring it up. And the good thing, with other t-shirt, you can do the same. Cut this part, any t-shirt, and take it out and like this, put it on here. Or even bandana. It's an easy, good one. You can do this and make it thicker here around your nose. Then all the way. And make sure put this here. So you make sure you cover your whole face and no air goes. And make sure put a goggle or glasses and your gloves. That's the tip for today. I hope you have a good day and stay safe. Bye.